Hi guys, welcome. And for today's video, I am going to create an Western Visayas artwork. So, let's start.
What is shell crop? In the Philippines, seashells are more than souvenirs. The history and crafts of kapis, a species of bivalve shell widely used in design, traditional use in mosaic and religious sculpture. Kapis has been incorporated into household decoration and jewelry. Where shell located? Capiz is a province of the Philippines in the Western Visayas region, popular for its shell product. Shell craft, also known as shell craft, is the craft of making decorative objects or of decorating surface using seashells. Shell craft is sometimes simply a folk art which is carried out by amateurs. However, in some parts of the world, including the Philippines, it is a business. What crafts can you make with seashells? The craft includes the design and creation of small items such as shade jewelry and figurines made from shells, middle-sized objects such as boxes and mirror frames covered in shells, sailors' valentines, and larger construction including mosaics. The shell is part of the body of the animal. Empty seashells are often found washed up. The shells are empty because the animal has died, and the soft parts have decomposed or been eaten by another animal. This is my artwork in Region 6 Western Visayas Capiz Shell.